सोना कितना सोना है सोने जैसा तेरा
Sing
मन.
it with that tonage. Like,
अरे I tried.
No, it's like this. सोना कितना सोना है सोने जैसा मेरा तेरा मन सुंदर सुन क्या कहती है दीवाने दिल की धड़कन तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1.
That's it. Our hero number 1 is Govinda. So it's podcast time. एक सॉन्ग था जो मेरा रिंगटोन था 2 साल के लिए. ओके एंड दैट वाज अपने दीवाने का कर दे बुरा हाल देखी.
अखियों से
That was my ringtone for 2
Do
entire
you
years.
know that this is Ashish's favorite Govinda movie? अखियों से गोली मारे.
Akhiyo, no, another confusing. Akhiyo se goli mare is another movie
And this song is from another.
from Dule Raja.
There we go.
हाँ.
हाँ, you watched it recently?
Yeah, I did actually. So yeah, basically there's a tradition in my house which has come down from the lockdown. That every Saturday, my brother, my bhabhi and I, we sit with a drink and we just watch Govinda movies.
Wait, from the lockdown मतलब कितने हफ्ते हो चुके हैं and it's still going?
मतलब it doesn't happen every Saturday now because everyone's working and we're busy or whatever. But when we do get the time, like lockdown में तो every Saturday बनता ही था. We had to watch a Govinda movie, and I feel that is just because when we were kids, we were just like exposed to Govinda so much in terms of these Hindi movie channels. तुम कभी भी जाओ एक गोविंदा मूवी तो डेफिनेटली प्ले हो रहा है.
If you have like what Star Gold, if you have seen Setmax, if you have seen the times of Z Cinema.
Wait, I'll do one better. Times of B4U movies.
Oh my God, B4. Hey, before you had a song channel also, no?
Yeah, before you had a song channel also.
Before you music.
They didn't try very hard.
Yeah, it was called Before You Music.
So, what was that agenda though? I'm sorry, I'm getting sidetracked right now, but before you, like this stuff exists before you.
I don't know. Dude, there was a channel called ETC, which was etc. That's it. There's no logic behind these names.
चलो ठीक है. But okay, yeah, Govinda used to be thrown at us a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
TV wise, especially because even if you get into it in the middle of the show or the middle of the movie, you can still sort of figure everything out and move on. Especially
You will get to know the story eventually.
Especially all his comedy things, like all of them. When it started with the David Dhawan stuff, like I think the first comedy movie that Govinda ever did was that one called Shola or Shabnam.
I haven't seen it.
And that was actually David Dhawan's first movie with him.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? It's added to the list. The list
And
grows.
it was the first movie he ever did with David Dhawan and did as comedy.
हाँ, okay.
And then that NCC cadet wala what was that one?
NCC
अरे
cadet?
नहीं क्या, he was an NCC cadet and you said that you like it. Chunky Pandey था उसमें.
आंखें.
आंखें.
Oh my, very very nice movie. Aankheं is a very good movie.
So he started with Shola or Shabnam, but then he did a whooping 17 movies with David Dhawan.
See, but I feel that was like the package. They're like, now we know what works, right? So it has to be David Dhawan directed, Kader Khan written, Kader Khan starred also as anyone's father. जो भी actor,
लड़की का
actress,
dad, Govinda का dad.
सब whatever.
Dude, there was a time when I actually thought he was Govinda's dad.
I know, right? Dude, you genuinely feel that for sure.
I was like, it's
इतने
possible.
movies-
Like,
इतने
I don't
movies में he was the father.
Yeah, it was quite intense. So he grew up in Virar and he's from Punjab actually.
Oh, I always thought UP for some reason.
No,
I
he's
don't know.
from Punjab.
I think he plays a Bihari or a UPite so
A
much
lot.
in his. It's the same Kader Khan conundrum. It's like, हाँ जो ये movie है वही होगा ना real life में 100%.
Dude, Kader Khan to start with, I had no idea he was a writer producer.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that he is actually credited with like reforming how dialogue is written in Hindi movies. He was
Yikes.
legit.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I did not know that. Also, he's written so many Amitabh Bachchan movies.
He's written a lot.
He's
of Amitabh
written
Bachchan.
so much
He's actually
non-comedy.
written- Yeah, the original Coolie is also written by Kader Khan.
Very
And he also wrote Coolie number 1.
Very poles apart movies written by Kader Khan, and one of them had Amitabh Bachchan and one of them had Govinda. So you would know exactly which
Hey,
direction.
but there is a movie that has Amitabh Bachchan and Govinda both.
Hum.
No, Hum is also there, but there's a comedy movie. Shit, I just watched it recently.
Bade Miyan Chote Miyan.
Bade Miyan Chote Miyan.
Dude, okay. So Bade Miyan Chote Miyan.
is a trip because if you join that movie in the middle somewhere, you probably will never know what happened.
Dude, the first half of the movie is the first half of Bad Boys. I am not making this up. If you want to fact check, please go watch the entire movie. The first half is पूरा Bad Boys और वो plot खत्म हो जाता है. And then the second half,
So the movie is over.
Bad Boys is बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ still going on.
बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ चल रहा है, चल.
Bad Boys खत्म कर दिया and then everyone sat down like नहीं यार मजा नहीं आया. थोड़ा और कुछ तो चाहिए.
I think this premise can be furthered. Like
Dude,
these people.
The first half and the second half are totally different movies. The second half starts with a shot of them introducing doppelgangers of Amitabh Bachchan. So basically, Amitabh Bachchan and Govinda are cops in the movie, the originals. And in the second half, the first shot is of them as criminals.
Diagram बनाना पड़ेगा आज
Actually,
के
ऐसा
बाद.
वो that meme always telling you Philadelphia वाला. It's too complicated. Anyway, movie देखो यार, मैं क्या explain कर रहा है. The point is, it was like a complicated ass movie.
Most people though know बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ not from this, but SWAT Cats Hindi dub.
Oh,
बड़े
please.
मियाँ and छोटे मियाँ.
Yeah, it's बड़े मियाँ and छोटे मियाँ.
And
It's
that
not the
was-
same.
And that was from बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ.
Yeah, it
That's
was.
where this came
It was,
from.
it
So
was.
I feel like that's a very weird, interesting. Like, oh, okay, this.
Oh my God,
Oh,
SWAT
that's where
Cats.
this came from.
Actually, let's come back to Govinda for a hot second.
Yeah. So okay,
That is
but then when you think of Govinda, which movie do you think of and why?
I don't think of a movie. I think of a scene
Okay.
from हद कर दिया आपने. And the TV scene.
Oh my goodness.
And you know what I remember it by? He plays Didi and he does that's the only thing I remember. It's so cool.
Dude, but honestly, I feel like everything was so problematic. Like if you look at it now, you'll be like, oh, okay, this dude is pretending to be a Chinese. This dude is pretending to be Arabic. कितना problematic है वो dude. But did it matter?
No.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's wild.
Oh, too good, man.
Yeah,
क्या
but
scene था.
I was talking about this actually. कि that 3 minutes to 5 minutes का scene is literally Govinda's demo reel.
Yeah.
Because
He could just show that
he
to
did
people.
everything that he is capable of in those 5 minutes. Didn't leave anything out.
कुछ नहीं, dude. He flirts with the female lead also in that.
For some reason, who he's
sings-
supposed to photograph that movie is
हद
insane.
कर-
Bazonkers.
बहुत हद कर दिया आपने also. But he dances, he sings, he does mimicry, he flirts, and
Yeah,
all in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
All of this.
And he's also like, I don't know, doing the actual job he came there to do, which is take
Taking
pictures.
photographs. Dude, मैं Coolie number 1. Spoilers, but if you haven't watched it till now,
What have you
I
been
don't know
doing?
what's that.
And
So-
have you not watched Star Gold ever? Anyway.
Coolie number 1, not the first time, but I joined the movie at the time where they are like, so Govinda does the double role. One is playing a rich brat, one is playing the coolie. Right? So the rich,
Again double role.
हाँ,
And
उसमें
now
है.
I've seen.
So the rich guy, the father is like, now you have to marry because you got my daughter pregnant. And I'm like, wait a...
Arey, but that was a thing, at the
Yeah.
time. That was a thing. Like if you get someone pregnant, there's no option but to marry
Khatam.
that person. That is the takeaway from Coolie number 1, apparently, because that's all he could say about it. Was that the spoiler? Is that like he gets someone pregnant?
Yeah, that was the...
That was the big reveal.
You don't... Arey, you'd never expected. You are like, but when did this happen? Wasn't he playing someone else?
Arey, dude, you know what? This reminds me. What is that song that Sarkai lo khatiya jada lage?
सरकाई ले ओ खटियां झाड़ा लग.
So, for the first time ever, Govinda was under scrutiny for being too vulgar on screen because of that movie. And he was like,
But उसका कुछ हुआ नहीं because अब he continued.
nothing happened. Apparently, Sarkalo Khatia was the most vulgar thing that had been allowed by the censor board to be on. Like,
Wow.
I get it. It's a lot of like weird sexual moves.
Yeah, a lot
but
of it.
done like excessively and like embarrassingly, to be very honest. But yeah.
Man.
But only Govinda can pull that off. Only Govinda. Dude, I cannot imagine any other actor doing that and me watching still.
Yeah, dude. Any of the roles also, I could not picture any of the actor even at that time or currently. Varun Dhawan tried doing Coolie number 1, he sucked at it. horribly.
Dude, but Varun Dhawan tried doing Judua also. Varun Dhawan tried a lot of things. Varun Dhawan's not standing up to even Salman Khan.
मैं वही बोला, dude, Salman Khan from the 90s, वो भी comic role में. How can you not match up to that? Actually, let's just address the number one series for a while, please. Dude, number one series was a rage. तुम number one में BV number one छोड़ के.
हाँ, अरे, that was Salman Khan.
BV number one was the outlier.
Hey, why did that happen? Why did they put Salman Khan?
No idea. I think you know what they number one, most of the number one movies had Karishma Kapoor. And they're like, इसके साथ तो बना ही सकते तो. That is why.
Dude, what if the number one? Dude, that actually.
What if Karishma Kapoor?
What if Karishma Kapoor was actually the focus
hey, but
of
she's
the?
not there in Jodi number one.
हाँ, but
It's,
maybe she was unavailable.
Maybe.
We'll check that out and put in third. But maybe she was unavailable. What I'm saying is that maybe, just maybe, the focus of the number one series was not Govinda, but Karishma Kapoor.
Possible. It's a conspiracy.
but yeah.
Dude, number one series, तुम कभी भी देखो, कौन से भी पार्ट से चालू करो, it will still be funny. It will definitely still be funny.
I guess.
It's just an outstanding job by everyone involved in those movies.
But you know what? I feel like, see na, in Auntie number one, okay, Auntie number one, if nobody knows, is where Govinda cross dresses to be an auntie, and most of the movie he's an auntie in that.
Very problematic, but okay.
So, theek hai, cross dressing and all not problematic because they kind of went with the Mrs. Doubtfire kind of angle and gave like a David Dhawan spin to it types. But even as a woman, they did not allow Govinda to get rid of his style sense. Because
the colors followed.
So basically Govinda's style is actually a thing.
Yeah. Actually, you could go in the 90s to a shop and say like, भाई मेरे को Govinda style के कपड़े दो, and you would.
He'll get you all these neon colors and like pink and green and orange pants and red pants and whatnot.
Orange, yellow, pink pants. फिर टी-शर्ट could be again orange, yellow, pink also.
मैचिंग भी हो सकता है, ग्रीन नीचे
है,
ग्रीन ऊपर हो सकता है.
Dude,
fine. If you're Govinda, you can pull off anything.
But other people couldn't.
Yeah, that's
and they used to still wear stuff like that and roam around in the streets.
That's true. But then Auntie number one में तो he as a woman also they used to make him wear the same
colors. Yes.
So it's like fluorescent pink, fluorescent yellow, fluorescent everything. And the lady loves in his movies also had to match up to it. So like, you know, Karishma Kapoor with silver jacket and Raveena Tandon with like crazy boots. I don't know.
Dude, I think neon and latex were like the color and fabric of the 90s. in Bollywood.
You brought this up before also.
Dude, latex is so definitely the fabric of the 90s. हर जगह पे था वो.
And people used to wear it like it's very comfortable. It's not. It is not comfortable. I don't know what people think about latex. I mean, in case of Rani Mukherjee and all, I guess she just had to wear itna sa because that's the fashion, like itna or itna. पहनने का, and I guess she didn't have any movement problems or anything.
Yeah.
But Govinda, I don't know how he used to do all those crazy dance moves with all the latex he used to wear. कितना move करता था वो. That was also a thing. That was also
Govinda dance, yes. जैसे Ganpati Visarjan dance was a thing. Govinda dance was like a different genre of Bollywood dance only.
And people actually look at that as a skill set.
It is. Dude, it is very difficult to do. He makes it look like very easy.
He was basically acting while dancing.
Yeah.
There was no in between for him. Everything is acting, right?
And you know what the best part about that is? It feels like it comes very natural to him. He's like, हाँ मैं तो सुबह उठ के ऐसे I just walk around like this in my house.
He's not trying at all. And even his dialogue delivery feels like he's just saying it from his own brain. He's not memorized anything, nothing.
Oh wait, I just remembered another iconic scene, which is the movie in which he has to get ready. तो वो
Hero number one. Oh my goodness.
वो येलो कलर की zen चलाता
हाँ zen only.
येलो कलर का zen, and then ब्रश करते टाइम पे वो विंडो वाइपर का he just turns and he goes outside.
He puts the water in his mouth.
Wow, what a scene, dude.
Yeah,
was it Hero number one?
Hero number one की beginning में था वो.
हाँ क्या?
He's an industrialist son, Kader
Khan son.
Kader Khan son and Hero number one. But उसमें था वो, and I still remember thinking about it that time, dude. I was very small. How did they shoot this? I was like,
it was very fascinating.
Yeah, it was quite intense. Like we'll put up the shot here, but it was very difficult.
I randomly remember that. It was awesome.
Yeah.
But like in hindsight, what do you think made Govinda work? Like, what was his charm? Because he was like in current Bollywood, he was not the most good looking. He wasn't then also. He like abhi to
now
the standards have only changed. So like, according to you, why is he so iconic, and why are we even talking about him in this podcast?
I think his appeal was mass, basically, because like he didn't like ever try to fit into a bracket. You know, like if he was an industrialist son, that automatically puts him in a different like at least social strata, right? But then he never thought that this movie, just because I'm rich, is for like a different set of people. That's what I think. Like and the movies were written like that for him. Like for example, in Hero Number 1 only, he was like an industrialist son. Actually, in a lot of movies, he's not like not like what in that movie, which one, where he's trying to Dhule Raja. Where he has a dhaba and all. Most of his roles are like that, because that is the Govinda's appeal. It has always been. It has been to the common man.
Dhule Raja was definitely the most natural role I think he's done.
Yeah,
because he plays like a guy from UP who
for some reason
that information has changed for me. And he runs a dhaba, and he plays like this sort of a crook, but he's like not really a crook. But
yeah,
he's
like
adamant about things.
He just doesn't want to leave that hotel's premises, basically.
Dude, वो scene में they take it to that level that वो hotel के 2 floors तोड़ देता है.
Dude, yeah, and you know what? Okay, that blew my mind because I watched this movie recently. Actually, I was watching scenes actually for this podcast. But they actually show those 2 floors exploding and like Kader Khan owns a hotel in this, and he's trying to get rid of him. And basically, the only way he finds he can get back at Kader Khan or whatever is by marrying his daughter.
No. The plot is... wait a minute. No, you got that wrong.
What?
So basically, the thing is, Raveena Tandon wants to marry Monish Bail. But Kader Khan knows Monish Bail is an asshole. So Raveena Tandon is like, he's like, you marry anyone else, that will do. And Govinda is Kader Khan ka like mortal enemy.
Dude, now I remember Monish Bail was an asshole in this movie.
That is, dude, Monish Bail was also everywhere in the 90s actually. Wait, that's another thing altogether. But yeah, so that's the plot.
Got it.
But like coming back to his appeal, yeah, I get the point that it was just, I don't know, his charm, dude. He was very charming on screen. He used to obviously exaggerate it, but not to a point that it was over.
It was like, you know, if you would meet him on the street, it felt like he would be very chill. And that was I guess the impression he used to give while he was on screen, which is, I think, what appeals to people.
Yeah.
Because the moment you try to put someone out of reach, like you try to put Shah Rukh Khan in NYC, and then how you will feel like...
how you'll relate.
how you do anything.
Yeah, dude, actually, like that, in just to put it in context, I could go to a random dhaba wala and it could easily be Govinda and I would buy it. I'll be like, ye to ho hi.
Which is super weird about believable roles, right? It changes your perspective on believable roles. Like when you're watching My Name is Khan and being like, oh my goodness, this is so sad or whatever. And then you suddenly watch Dhule Raja and you're like, but this person is probably existing right now.
ऐसा कोई ना कोई तो पक्का रहेगा. हाईवे पे जाके देखेगा तो मैं मिल जाएगा कोई तो ऐसा.
Damn, it's something I never thought about before, believable roles ka.
Actually, yeah.
No, but at the same time, Kuvara and all, like he's chilling in New Zealand, and then he comes in and he has no life apparently.
Dude,
because he saves Urmila's sister from killing herself. And by the way, Urmila's name is Urmila in that movie, and her sister's name is Sharmila, which I understand. Because my parents also did that same thing where they named all their children with S, you know, including our dogs. But like Urmila, Sharmila, I just cannot get over. And he saves Sharmila from committing suicide. Then he pretends to be a husband because she's pregnant.
There it is.
She's pregnant. So he pretends to be a husband so that her family doesn't like do thi on her. And then like Urmila apparently fell in love with him in New Zealand. So when she comes back home, obviously he's in her house as her sister's husband.
ये क्या trope था? लोग को international क्यों जाना था प्यार में गिरने के लिए?
I think
even Hero Number 1.
Dude, but you know what? It's because of that thing that this is not allowed in India.
What, falling in love?
You can dance on the streets while a gaggle of foreigners stands around and watches, which was also a thing.
That used to be my favorite thing. वो लोग पूरा movie India में हो रहा है लेकिन गाना ऐसा Switzerland में, Europe में किधर हो रहा है.
And all those people are standing there. It feels like a Lakshman Rekha was drawn, and the director's like, if you step into this, it's going to be a problem. So
if you step into this, you have to
it's
dance.
okay if you're in the shot. That doesn't matter.
Observing crowd रहता था, yes, for sure.
Always. And
No,
that,
but like even in hero number 1, Karishma Kapoor and her aunt have to go to like Switzerland and then run into Govinda to then fall in love.
it's that only, na. This is not allowed in India. Ramanujan, culture. हमारा culture. You know, लोग क्या कहेंगे? ऐसे थोड़ी you can't fall in love like this. Not allowed.
Not happening. And you obviously can't dance on the road. बहुत traffic रहता है apparently. So.
No, except if you're doing a Karan Johar film, because in that case, dancing in the street is allowed because the street is made for that.
Point.
But what do you think actually made Govinda movies work? Like what makes a Govinda film a hit?
Okay. Let's break it down. I feel a Govinda hit. Actually, you know what? Let's go even specific. What makes a Govinda comedy hit movie?
हाँ, comedy.
Comedy.
correct, comedy.
Serious अपन ने देखा नहीं तो can't say like a lot about
मैंने
it.
देखा है, it's too much.
There, my motivation towards it. Go.
Gone.
Okay, so I feel like if you study these movies for research, तो उसमें there are a lot of commonalities. One being David Dhawan direction. Kader Khan as father, as we've established.
Or he could write the movie also, I don't know.
Actually, yeah, Kader Khan has written a
Or
lot.
produced. He produced a lot of Govinda movies, you know. He produced a lot of them. Even if he didn't write them, he did produce a lot of them because I remember seeing his stuff in the credits.
Yeah, but like he's written a lot of them, and he's not only Govinda, he's written other stuff as well. So I feel that then it needs one of these three characters as side comedy heroes. Those were earlier days. It was Asrani or Shakti Kapoor or Sadashiv Amrapalkar, and or in the late 90s it was Johnny Lever.
Right. Correct.
So one of these have to be there. Then Karishma Kapoor used to be like
/ replaceable female, iconic female, but mostly Karishma Kapoor. If
Mostly-
Karishma Kapoor is not available, we can also do with Pooja Batra, Monica Bedi, and हम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे सब
dude,
ना.
Pooja Bedi and Monica Batra were like
Ulta.
ulta है क्या?
Pooja Batra
See,
and
they
Monica
were so
Bedi.
interchangeable. Was my point. I still get confused like you just saw, but
यार,
even their faces are like muddled. I don't know who's who.
Fair,
जाके देखना
dude,
पड़ेगा.
fair.
But yeah, one of those randomly या तो उर्मिला मातोंडकर या तो these are like the list of you could choose of the actors who was available.
90s heroine accordingly. If this was a game, you would have a drop down and you need to choose where. But Govinda would not be replaceable because
No.
that is the bold. You can't
Yeah.
like there's no drop down over there.
And then if needed, then Sanjay Dutt एक दो movie आके कर.
Huh, I don't know.
randomly.
If it's a then there's another drop down. Like there's another section that you know how you make your D&D character and how you decide on what story and how to go about it. So like there's another section you have to choose what alternative like other characters and all that. So if the movie ka genre is a con movie, heist movie, then Sanjay Dutt is an option.
Yeah.
Right? Because all three movies that he has done with Sanjay Dutt in this scene. जोड़ी नंबर 1, 1 और 1 11 and so the third
Hasina
Hasina मान जाएगी. Fucking all three of them, they are distinct con men.
They're the same movie. To put it in short, they are the exact same movie.
Or they could be put in like a timeline and been like the adventures of Govinda and Sanjay Dutt as con men.
As con men.
But yeah, dude, you're right. And I feel like this David Dhawan thing now is very interesting to me because, dude, directors can get the best out of actors. This is very true. It's like it depends on who the director is. Even if a actor is good, sometimes he does badly because he's been directed badly. But David Dhawan really knew how to direct Govinda. And
That was like a match made in heaven for comedy movie.
correct. And you remember that movie Deewana Mastana? So usme Anil Kapoor tha with Govinda. So both of them together were doing Govinda. हाँ, correct. And Juhi Chawla.
Yeah, Juhi Chawla.
Correct. So I remember reading this, but Anil Kapoor had literally passed a comment, like he had literally told David Dhawan that I wish a director would look at me like you look at Govinda.
Oh, that's a bold statement, dude. But yeah, like it was just uncanny how good they were together.
Correct.
It was
But
damn nice.
dude, what do you think about this legacy of having a side that characters going with it? Because I feel like Asrani was in so many of his movies.
Yeah, like I said, dude, Sadashiv Amrapalkar was there.
Sadashiv Amrapalkar.
Johnny Lever was there. I don't know, it was just a thing that those movies used to do.
And they used to either be his cronies or they used to have their own time, own story going on.
Own
the
story
side.
going on. Actually, no. I think Govinda movies mein never.
They were
there
his
was-
cronies.
Yeah. They were always related to the character, but they never had their side comedy tracks.
But you know which Shah Rukh Khan movie has picked this up as his thing?
Wait, what?
You will be like, of course, when I tell you which one I'm talking about.
You mean the cronies thing or the side character thing?
The side characters plus cronies, because they are essentially side character cronies, right?
Damn, I can't think of any movie. Wait, are you talking about Badshah?
Yes, of course. So I feel like it's very interesting what
Johnny Lever, yes.
Yeah, and all the people in Badshah who were like his what is it, private investigator team.
His employees basically, but this just all travel together. Oh my god, when you say Badshah, the only thing I could think of is Manichan का नाम सुना है? हाँ, हर रोज खा के थूकते. Dude, iconic dialogue. But yeah, there was this secret formula that used to
But
work
you know
for
what?
sure.
These cronies also made the movie memorable, which is why that would make a Govinda hit.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you'd always remember these people and you would associate them with a movie. Like in this movie, Johnny Lever was like a drunk or whatever. And this movie, that's what happened. And he made this, like, whatever.
Dude, the Dule Raja why I remember is because Johnny Lever is actually Kader Khan's assistant.
Yes!
But he helps Govinda. That is how I like.
Correct. He's
why I
not on
remember.
Kader Khan's
No.
side.
Sign. But you know what? I feel we have people have always tried to remake these movies and they just never work.
Yeah, and I don't know if it's because it's not a combination of all these things or because just it's not having that Govinda factor in there. Like, I don't know what the scene is. Because they made Coolie #1 again. They made Varun Dhawan do it. And it's not like Varun Dhawan has bad comic timing. ऐसे ही नहीं है. It's just that you have to know how to direct. I don't know if a father is the best person to direct a son. Like, honestly, I'm not sure about how that works. Like,
No,
what
but
the scene
it
is.
just doesn't land anymore. See, I'll tell you what, the recent Govinda movie that I really, really liked, I think his last comedy movie was Partner. I absolutely loved that movie because usme bhi Govinda was being Govinda only.
Dude, I'll tell you why you like Partner. Okay, so why did these movies become hits in the first place is because there was a time and place for that kind of comedy.
Yeah,
Correct.
I guess so.
So now, if Varun Dhawan tries to do the same kind of comedy,
It won't work.
it's going to be problematic and cringy, which is what all of Judwa 2 was. Dude, I am a person who loves trash movies. I can watch so much trash all day long without any problems, but I could not watch Judwa 2. It was that bad. And there was a time and place. They worked. And another thing is, Partner remade Hitch very accurately, as in they copied almost everything. It's not like they didn't copy like anything, but they copied almost everything, but they put it in an Indian context so well
Actually, well, it is to really fit.
that Govinda managed to sell that. Like, Govinda fit into that character sketch that they had, you know, of this person who needs help with his love life, right?
It was very nicely
So
done.
that's
Yeah,
why
actually-
Partner worked though.
And they made it like so relevant to the Indian thing that a lot of people didn't know that it was a copy of Hitch.
Exactly.
Like it
exactly.
it was like हाँ ये तो गोविंदा पक्का कर सकता है रियल लाइफ में भी शायद कर लेगा ऐसा सीन था.
Yeah, and actually that was also a very, you know how people complain about ageism in when it comes to males and females and all that in Bollywood. I think Partner was a good example of using a person's age accurately.
Yeah.
Because it made sense for a person like Govinda or whatever age he was at that he cannot deal and he cannot like attract a younger female or whatever.
Like Katrina
so
Kaif,
he had to find other means, like, you know, ki how do I make her look at me as a good person and all that stuff, which made 100% sense in Partner's case.
Yeah,
right?
it did. Yeah.
So
But that's a good way to deal with it.
exactly that. So damn. So if you wanted to make a Govinda hit today, it would be impossible.
It would not work. Actually, it won't work.
That's kind of sad because
is.
I also feel sad about where this has gone with Govinda also. Like, his latest movie was in 2017 actually.
Which one?
It's called Aa Gaya Hero. I don't know if you've heard of this. So, you must know that unless you're living under a rock, that Singham, what is that? Simba
and
all these
Vansham, that's coming
things
up.
work very well. So the moment someone sees like a cop beating up the bad guys, everybody's like
Very happy.
Wow, बहुत अच्छा movie.
Yay, police brutality.
So that is what Govinda went with, dude. Like he
In Agya Hero. Is he a
Agya
cop?
Hero, he's a cop.
Why would you?
Who is getting rid of corrupt officials? And
Is
what?
he at least from UP? That would fit. At least one.
So I honestly, I think he is, because I think it's based in the north, because they have a song called Lo Hoi Gawa.
Okay, got it. That answers a lot of questions.
Yeah. But dude, that movie was such a flop because it was
I-
not Govinda playing to his strengths, right? And it was just him like getting on a bandwagon. And it was one of the few films where he has been offered the main role. That's why he took it.
Hey. But you know what? In that, when you say that, now that I think about it, I think Govinda would do very well as a Kader Khan character in modern comedy movies. Like I feel he has transitioned from the lead to like the father.
Apparently, from what I read, Govinda does not think so. And he wants to do like lead roles. See, I think Anil Kapoor that way is a very good example of that. Like he has managed to like segue into the father characters like in Dil Dhadakne Do and all that. And very well. Like he's like
He's
the
done it really well.
proper salt and pepper father, and he's living up to all that stuff. But Govinda I don't think he can let go of his Jawani. Govinda needs to start doing that. Govinda sir, if you're listening, which is impossible that he's one of our 8 subscribers. But
that would be amazing.
It would be
if
a
he was
very-
one of our 8 subscribers.
anyway, but Govinda sir. No, but we've been praising him all this while. Govinda sir, we really like you.
We really love you. Sir, मैं आपके मूवी हर सैटरडे देखता हूँ. और क्या करूँ मैं?
But yeah, dude, honestly, I feel like this is like our pandemonium debate ka like further.
Won the topic.
Further thing. Because see now, we were talking about people getting obsolete when it comes to like style.
Keeping up with the times and
yeah, and I feel
Dude,
like
see, okay, honestly, I don't feel that what Govinda was in the 90s, like the whole
It
the
will
neon
work.
thing, the style, the dance, वगैरह
the
वगैरह will
style
work.
might work, but I don't think like the genre is correct.
I don't think
yeah,
90s
I
style
would
is coming back. I don't
if
think
that
it is.
came up as a Zara collection, I would definitely like think about like, these people are going in the right direction, you know, that sort of thing.
Zara, if you're listening.
Govinda was punk before punk.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, I think Govinda style has a lot of place in today's world. And if Govinda's stuff had to make a comeback, it would be now. I don't think that there is a time and place for Govinda style.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's timeless.
But yeah, I don't think the style was an issue. I think
Okay.
it's just like the genre of film needed tweaking based on what is going on right
like,
now.
In finance, it's like adjusted for inflation. Same concept on the movies.
Then dial it a little back.
Adjusted for cultural appropriation, and then it would work.
Yeah, and even if it wasn't just the cultural appropriation, because today, dude, have you seen comedies? क्या है वो यार?
Comedy circus.
Not Comedy Circus. Who is that guy?
Kapil Sharma.
Kapil Sharma show. It's so inappropriate. It's so inappropriate.
Actually,
I don't think that is the problem.
He came up from Comedy Circus, so that's like the starting point of all this nonsense.
But Kapil Sharma show is literally running on that kind of stuff only. I don't think that is the problem. I think.
So wait, do you think Govinda should come back and make like a 90s movie?
I don't think
if the style is not a problem.
No,
if
see,
the
for
content is not a
example,
problem.
what worked for Golmaal 3? It
Johnny
was
Lever.
Mithun making fun of his own movies.
Actually, yeah.
So I think that would 100% work with Govinda, dude. Why would it not work with Govinda? People have something to fall back to. People know what he's referring to. I don't think people have forgotten Govinda movies because, as we have already said, everybody remembers. Dude, today morning I saw a video called from Jis Desh Mein Ganga Rehta Hai, and immediately Anurag was like, dude, I have seen this movie. And it came from very unexpected. I was like, I did not expect this. But
Like,
yeah.
I agree, yeah.
So today,
If
there was
Govinda makes fun of his stuff as a character, that will work really well.
Can he? Like, that's the thing.
No
See,
idea.
I feel like...
See, he cannot do that being the lead. That cannot be the entire movie.
Or it's just like a spoof of one of his old films.
Whoa, dude! That would actually do really well.
I mean, it probably
But
not be an A-list film, but
But his movies are like a
spoof of something.
I mean, you can't make a
something.
spoof of that. See, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan is a spoof of Bad Boys.
Oh my
The first
God.
half of it.
I never thought of it like that. I thought of it more like a remake, but you're right, it's a spoof.
No, it is a spoof. Dude, but it follows the plot to the T.
My goodness.
It's a whole another thing.
Damn. But see, na, Govinda could have easily been what Kader Khan was.
Yeah, 100%.
Like till 2018.
Except I don't think he would be able to write as well. I don't know.
But we don't know that.
We don't know. Yeah.
Govinda
should
didn't
be-
explore.
You know what? He should move away from the get the limelight and then try
But
other
he
stuff
doesn't
also.
want. Okay, so
I know.
You don't know that Govinda was in the Lok Sabha, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So apparently he was like, really bad at being in the Lok Sabha.
Yeah, no shit. लोग सभा में डांस करते थे क्या लोग नहीं करते.
So he used to not show up only. Like that was how bad he was at being in the Lok Sabha. Like even if you came and you slept, apparently in the Lok Sabha if you come and sleep on the
It's
table
okay.
also it's counted as a thing.
Like attendance मांग करो last bench पे जाके सो जाओ चलेगा. You cannot go into Lok Sabha expecting it to be entertaining in the first place.
So we don't know why Govinda got into politics. It was a bad move for his
It
PR.
was the mornings.
Somebody looks like amphitheater.
Yeah, maybe that's what confused him. I don't know.
Picture taking.
लोक सभा में भी हर Saturday night गोविंदा movie चल रहा.
Maybe if he would have attended if that was the case. I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
know. Like
For
it feels okay. So Lok Sabha man, step your game up. You were not good enough for Govinda.
That's the problem.
But see, evidently going into politics was not the correct
Yeah,
move
dude.
for
I think
Govinda.
it hurt
So
his
maybe
reputation a lot.
maybe if he concentrated on like filmmaking, he would have been somewhere.
Hey, which was the movie he did with Ali Faisal and who's the other guy? He played a side character in like the villain in that.
He
played.
probably had to. He had
Huh.
no choice.
No, but like I'm saying he's open to it.
Ari, but you know what? That also his family is telling him ki no, you should look at it differently. Like you know his daughter Tina Ahuja, na, she does B films by the way. Apparently.
Yes, I didn't know.
Yeah, so his daughter is also an actress, and she wants to live up to his legacy.
Not gonna happen.
Best
bro.
of luck, Tina Ahuja. I don't think it's going to happen.
I am
but
sorry.
all the best to you. I believe in you and everything. But so Tina Ahuja apparently had said ki kya?
He should approach it differently.
You should start approaching roles differently, and his wife was also like, you know, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. You can't like keep expecting. Like his family is trying to
Push him out of the house.
reel Govinda to the right track, but yeah, that's what I heard. That's why he
Dude,
did that movie with Ali Faisal.
You know what I feel now? I feel Varun Dhawan is a decent replacement for Govinda if he's directed well, and I feel that will happen if Govinda takes like the Kader Khan role in that. See, I feel that could be a good comedy.
So you
movie.
think that legacy would work? Like
Yeah.
Kader Khan to Govinda, Govinda to Varun Dhawan.
Yeah, because okay, if you think about it, who else could pull off a Govinda role?
That's true. I mean, Varun Dhawan's the only one in the market who's open to it.
Yeah,
I feel.
he's open to it. He's trying it. He's doing a decent job of it.
I guess I have no like.
No, but there is no one else. Tiger Shroff karega kya aake?
Tiger Shroff. Arey, dude, I think if you throw in some like what is that thing that he does?
Flips.
Flips. I think Tiger Shroff might do it, but no, Tiger Shroff is more of a action. Maybe he'll move into comedy later, like Govinda. Maybe history repeats itself.
My God, Tiger Shroff doing comedy movies. That's a trip.
Okay, which is the weirdest movie that you encountered actually that had Govinda in it, but you were like, oh shit, yeah, Govinda was in this movie.
I don't think ऐसा कोई था. I knew what all
Dude, for me it was आमदनी अट्ठानी खर्चा रुपया.
I knew that. I knew that.
Fucking forgot about. Okay, so
But वो भी side role है ना?
see, but it was a main role in the sense that he was the good guy in that movie.
He was the one who bought those.
Who
three
brought
idiots.
those three guys on the right path.
track,
Dude,
yeah.
आमदनी अट्ठानी खर्चा रुपया. I
It's
don't
a
think.
trip. Hey, isn't that a copy of a English film?
It could be, but
I
it
think it
definitely wasn't delivered in the same way if that's what it is. Amnani Athani Khalcha Rupaya really, like, no kid should watch it, but I feel like all kids have watched it.
Yeah, I agree.
And literally Govinda to that movie was what Salman Khan was to Baghban.
Yeah.
Literally the...
Such a specific reference, dude.
Weekend
90% लोग को समझा नहीं है ये 100%.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? क्या बात कर रहे
I
हैं?
was given that movie to watch by my Hindi teacher.
आमदनी
Why?
अट्ठानी खर्चा रुपया.
For what moral learnings of like what?
How not?
Of how
What?
Johnny Lever used to beat his wife. And it was a joke in the movie.
Yeah, it was. Oof, that was very bad.
Yeah, but Govinda was in that
Yeah.
movie.
Movie अभी दे दिया भाई. You learn some Hindi.
Oh, yes. Did it work? Did you learn Hindi from it? Oh, goodness.
Cracking.
Wife. No, but the role model in that movie was Govinda. That is the takeaway.
He was the ideal husband.
Yeah, he was like, he respects his wife and he knows how to deal with finances.
He's a normal human being in that movie. I mean, Baki,
He's
you know,
the base level
he's the
threshold
he was
of
actually
what
the
a
base-
man should be.
वो थोड़ी he's yeah.
He's like, that movie celebrates him. That movie is like, man, you don't beat your wife.
Oh man, wait! Another side character who's in Andhani Kacha Rupaya. In that list, if we add Ninja Chacha, dude, I don't know Ninja.
Yeah, but
Chacha's real
Ninja
name, I'm so
Chacha was
sorry.
in a lot of movies, like with Govinda.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He was added to like the side character list.
That's true. Acha, that list you're talking
that
about.
list
What
I'm
makes a Govinda hit?
We are going back to that.
Even Ninja Chacha is one of them. Very important part.
What is his real name? We'll put it up.
We will find out. But dude, so basically what we're taking away from this episode is that Govinda
should become Kader Khan.
should
but
have become. Let's see.
Can still become.
Let's
please.
see. There's probably still
There is
time.
time. There is hope. Varun
Legacies
Dhawan-
exist. Tiger Shroff can probably do comedy soon. And I will back. I like when it happens. You,
know
heard it first on Parago
on Barack
Panda.
Obama. I hope it happens. I want to see Tiger Shroff in a comedy role. So basically, Govinda can become Kader Khan. Should become. Varun Dhawan is a good replacement for Govinda. Only should be directed better. And yeah. Wait, who will be the list of heroines now then? Actually, everyone's so interchangeable
Dude,
nowadays. It could be anyone.
Literally all these Disha Patani and all these people.
Everyone looks the same.
looks same only. So it's like fine. It works the same way actually. It works like Pooja Batra and
The pieces
Monica
are in
Bedi.
place.
Yes.
All the pieces are in place.
We are in perfect. The universe is in alignment for a Govinda comeback.
Yeah.
In the sense that Govinda should just suck it up and try and make good movies.
And Govinda should become everyone's father. Like how Kader Khan was everyone's father.
My goodness, my brain is flooded with just
Govinda.
memories of all these scenes.
But good times, yeah.
Yeah,
Really good times.
Really good times. So, I hope
Govinda
you
sir,
enjoyed.
if you're listening, please make a comeback.
Oh my goodness, yes, please.
Please make a comeback.
I feel very vehemently about this. I know that's a negative word, but I feel strongly. So,
Yeah, please
there
come
we
back.
go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. I feel like we had a very good time, like looking
blast,
through
dude.
everything.
Yeah.
We will put up a playlist of whatever we think that you guys should watch because
When it comes
we
to Govinda.
have gone through a lot of content.
Like a refresher course on 90s Govinda movie.
what
That whole
worked,
playlist.
what did not. If you have any opinions on this, please comment.
Let us know.
Especially,
and if you really think Tiger Shroff can pull up a comic
hey,
role,
listen.
put that down because you know what? Settle that debate for us.
I
That's the
think
best.
Tiger
Settle that debate for
Shroff
us.
should get into comedy.
I don't think he should.
Because
Comment.
take away from this. Everything doesn't have to be a pandemonium debate, okay? Ramanujan.
No, but I want this settled by the universe. And like, nahi, I can't imagine this has to be settled.
So thank you, and we make new episodes and release them every week.
Also, we have things coming out every Tuesday, so watch out for that. And don't miss it. Press the bell icon and subscribe.